Everyone, go and Google search who is the most beautiful woman in Arizona. If you look at it, it shows Desiree Coleman has been voted the most beautiful woman in Gilbert, Arizona. Look at the article, and it's my website, ranking #1, all about Desiree. Some photo albums. Let's check out some other keywords. The most beautiful woman. Why is it on caps lock? Full woman in, let's just try Arizona. Oh, she's #1 in all of Arizona. Look at that. Let's try most beautiful woman in Gilbert, AZ. Yep. Check out the images. Look at that. She's ranking, got 5 of the top images for the most beautiful woman in Gilbert, Arizona. That's how you do SEO.